Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I am here today to show you a new printable by Decorate Your Life, who is Sandy Nagel. But she goes by Decorate Your Life here on YouTube. This kit here is called Blue Winter Cutouts. Okay. And here it is. She's doing the white backgrounds now too, which will save us on ink and everything. You can use a circle punch to punch these out. You can use them to make ATC coins, ATC cards. You can use them on regular cards, basically on anything. So I'll be doing projects with this kit soon. And as I can see, I printed it twice because that's me. That's just me and the way I like to do it. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And uh, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Okay? Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be safe, be kind, be blessed, be crafty. And remember, everything is made with love in every stitch. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.